Hey everybody, it's Jared at Big Pine Sports, February 11th, 2026. If you didn't get your Valentine's a gift, we've got 4 of them inside. This is the Can-Am Defender Max Limited HD11. If you buy one today, Shad will come with it. He'll detail it for free for a year too. So we got tan. So as long as tan's what you're after, and a white. So the good news is we have been sold out of tan Defender Max Limiteds. I know we've got a deposit on at least one of these, but if you would like to get your name on one and get one secured up, 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Now with the HD11, this has the new front end, 4500 synthetic rope winch, new suspension A-arm designs, new headlights, 3-cylinder, better heat, better air, tinted windows, big navigation screen. It's got all the goods. Give us a call today. Have a good day, everybody.